Some homes are different than others. People like to see and visit again and again. What does it actually take to attract your guests? What is the secret to have a home that is welcoming and inviting? From setting up mood to personal and thoughtful touches, let's see some effective, practical, and key tips to achieve that.
Hi everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. Having a welcoming and inviting home is an important aspect, especially when you want to make your guests feel comfortable and at ease in your home. Whether you are hosting your friends or family for a special occasion or you have overnight guests coming to stay, these designer tips and tricks can help you transform your home into a warm, inviting place so the guests feel right at home. These are some practical tips that you can incorporate in your home. So without wasting any time, let's get into it.
So, the first thing in the list is the house exteriors. No matter what, the first thing that your guest notices is the exterior. The size, color, shape of your house defines it the best. How is the walkway looking, your garden, and choice of greenery around get noticed. So pay attention on that. You can also add some soft touches with rugs and lighting that is unique and attractive to make it more inviting and welcoming for your guests. So the second thing in the list is the fragrance. The odor of your home as soon as you enter defines you and your home. Make sure to have nice odor before inviting your guest. There are multiple ways like use of liquid diffuser, sprays, or even by essence sticks you can improve the odor of your home. Our lifestyle and daily routine also defines the overall smell of our home. To naturally make it more pleasant, add fresh cut florals from your garden once or twice a week. Next in the list is decluttering. Nobody likes to visit a messy, cluttered home. Better have a fixed place for everything in your house. It gives the space to breathe and feel free in a clean house. And also brings out the positivity around. Declutter, organize, and style the way you want. You will have the confidence to invite others so the guests also feel comfortable and relaxed in your place. You can check out my this video how to have a decluttered home from the link in description. After all, who's not attracted towards a clean, peaceful space? Coming to the next one, have a place for belongings of your guest. People usually come with their bags, so give them the place where they can unburden themselves. For example, a coat hanger, shoe rack, or even giving them a comfortable guest room if in case they are going to stay. Coming to the next one, study says people are more attracted towards wide and open spaces. Whether your home is small, medium, or large, if things are laid out in an organized way, it ultimately feels wide and open, allowing the natural light and air passing throughout, making it warm and peaceful. Also, having multiple seating space gives others the choice to select and use a particular area for themselves, like having two different types of dining, maybe 6-seater or 4-seater, the outer garden or patio furniture layout. So give them the choice so they feel free and at home in your place. Next is the color palette of your home. It's often said that people find an earthy neutral tone soothing and comforting to eyes without any kind of distraction because it evokes a sense of warmth and connection to the nature. These colors create a calming atmosphere and make the space feel more relaxing all the time. There are a wide variety of such colors that you can choose from. So choose the right mix for your home. Coming to the next one, curtain and rugs. Curtain and rugs play a very important role in your home. They not only add the softness but also the texture and pattern, thereby making a house more welcoming. They create a cozy environment which is comforting to everyone. Choose the soft fabric like linen, cotton, and use light colors to complement your walls. Similarly for carpets, choose warm and sturdy jute or cotton rugs for extra warmth. The next key tip is adding that extra thoughtful touches in your home to make your guest feel special. It can simply be done by few things like adding extra cushions or pillows for their comfort, a well-decorated tablescape if they are coming for a meal, presenting their favorite dish in a beautiful way, or even enjoying their hobbies together. It requires just small efforts but create a lifetime memorable impact. Now the next one is lighting. People are often attracted towards warm, ambient and soft lightings because it creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere, promoting relaxation and helps improve mood by stimulating feeling of comfort and warmth. While choosing a color, go for a medium warm white rather than bright yellow or white light. Add more than one light fixtures to create more interest, and we have a good variety these days to choose from. Moving on to the next one add cozy touches. This make a home look more lived in, comforting and relaxed rather than just some blank walls and furniture. Having a peaceful, cozy environment in your home can be done through use of warm furnishing, warm decor, comfortable furniture pieces, soft lightings, pleasant scents and personal touches here and there that reflects your style. It promotes a sense of well-being and happiness as people relax, unwind and feel at ease in such places. Now moving on to the last tip, that is mirrors and artworks. Mirrors make a space feel larger and brighter by reflecting light and create depth. Artworks add personality, style and character, which also serves as a conversation starters. Showcasing your personality is important. Whether you are a book lover or a cooking expert, show it out. It creates a personal connection between you and your guest. They feel open, comfortable, and welcomed. It also enhances your home overall aesthetic appeal, thereby creating strong lifetime connections.
That comes to an end to our list. Hope you enjoyed and find it useful and practical. Let me know your views on the same. That's it from my side. Take care and have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.